Helen McMahon for Expert Village. The next ingredient is going to be sugar, and this is just plain regular granulated sugar. You don't need powdered sugar for this job, and brown sugar would not work very well. So just plain granulated sugar. We need 2/3 of a cup. So here's my 1/3 cup measure. And this is added very slowly, just at the edge of the bowl, so that the egg whites can absorb it a little bit at a time. It's 1/3. And here's the second third. Very slowly, as you continue to beat it, you can turn your speed down a little bit as this is going in so it doesn't fly all over the room. As soon as you've added the 2/3 of a cup of sugar, then you can jack up the speed and increase it so that will beat it into it very thoroughly. And once again, a reminder to scrape down the sides of the bowl so that the sugar will be incorporated into your mixture very evenly. Continue beating. This takes a lot of beating. You can do this for quite a few minutes, and I'll show you how to test to see when it's ready.